Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna let you know that how to set up Xiaomi 360-degree home security camera 1080p 2i. That's a long name of this camera. And if you want to set up for first time, how you can do and what's the process. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe to the channel for get more videos like this. Now watch the video till the end and learn how to set up this camera at your home for first time. Watch the video till the end. Move this like this and insert. Insert the power cable.
Please scan the QR code located on the label on the camera to enter the configuration page. Awaiting connection.
Now your camera will ask you to scan your QR code on your application, but if you don't find the QR code, there is another scenario. Let's begin and scan the QR code.
First of all, install Xiaomi Home or Mi Home app.
If you want to set up your camera and if you don't have this scanner, click on this, add a device and click on camera, and it will click on camera. It will start searching for scanner. But if you don't have a scanner, click on this no QR code, add manually, and after that it will ask you that which security camera you have. Click on that, and after that your device will be found over there. Click on the reset. When you click on reset, device reset, it will start scanning. Switch on Wi-Fi first. As you can, it's asking about the Wi-Fi and its password. We can connect by next. If your app has not already connected with the Wi-Fi, you can change or set your give your password over here and click on next or set up or connect.
Awaiting connection. Connecting, please wait. Connected to Wi-Fi network successfully. Device paired to account successfully.
As you can check out, it's done. You can choose any room or create a new room where you're gonna install this camera. I'm choosing my room. Click on do not share if you don't want to share this camera live preview with anyone. Click on agree and voila, I'm over here. This is the camera preview. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for get more videos like this.